ocean in Aguada. Here we are at the Pico de Piedra balneario of Aguada. This is a really nice beach for just bringing some food, hanging out, jumping in the water. We like to get our takeout or bring friends out here to these gazebos. They also have a nice stage area, so if you had a party or music or something, you could set it up over here. The area where the restaurant, the Ode to the Elephants restaurant, has also some open restrooms, and there's some other restrooms and some showers out here, so it's a nice place to come if you want to have a little bit more. There's a river outlet over here, and so it's a nice long stretch of sandy beach. And down the other way, Pico de Piedra, is the drive that we love, and one of our favorite bar and restaurants, which is Olaha. So this is a really nice place to come and watch the sunset or just spend some time. Here we are at Ginsaf. It's our first time here, and we got a seaweed salad and a sweet and sour soup, as well as some egg rolls, and we're waiting on some sushi, but so far it's really good. Obviously have to take some extra precautions right now because we're eating inside a restaurant, but it's been a good experience so far. This is the first time we've seen this machine.
Normal temperature.
Never know the things you see nowadays. Well, we came here to the mall to come to Marshall's because we like to get some of the various foods here, but the line is just so long that we got a couple other little things walking around in the mall, but we'll have to leave Marshall's for another day. Today I got some earrings and my shirt, but this is the real thing. These are kind of Cavendish type variety. They don't ever really exactly yellow up. They always stay kind of green, but you can always feel it as they get softer. This one's probably ripe right here. You want to try some, Eden? A big bunch. You want to bite? You want to bite like my little jungle boy? See? Good boy. And me too. Mmm. enjoying some time downtown Rincon, and we just had some lunch at Bob's Bistro, which is open, and the plaza is nice and beautiful with the fountain running and pretty skies.
Bien, ¿y tú?
What are you doing, Britton?
Cleaning the tallest windows on the property. Making sure we keep up on it. Things need to be done.
Say hi from the inside.
Hello. Hola. Cleaning the windows.
Something you gotta do around here, especially after all the Saharan dust. Okay, explain what we're doing, Britton.
So we're about to move the Mustang to a better position so we can pull the transmission out of it. The transmission's good. Blocking the wheel so that we can test the brakes and make sure everything works before we get started. Juan is going to be the pilot of the Mustang, and I'm going to pilot the truck. And hopefully we'll just move it here. Should be pretty simple, but you want to make sure you think of everything that can go wrong.
Mas! Yeah. Qué bueno, hicieron bien. Qué bueno. There's a new flower in bloom. I don't remember what this one's called. We planted it, but I'll have to ask my friends what this one's called. But look how cool it is, like these little curly cute things at the top. Super neat. So we're out gathering some flowers, but I noticed that the miracle fruit berry tree is fruiting. This is a very special fruit because it actually changes your taste buds from tasting sour to no sour at all. So anything that is sour tasting after you eat this berry, like a lemon or lime or something, suddenly tastes sweet, like lemonade or limeade. So it's a really cool tree, and that's why it gets its name as a miracle fruit. Some of our flower orders: Rauliana, torch ginger, Mexican gold, stricta, microphone beehive gingers, various colors, alpinia gingers, more torches, Caribbean golds, sunset, beautiful.